If you always feel that people don't like you, you might be making a huge mistake. Your brain is just playing tricks on you, making you believe that you're being rejected, even when you're not. And because of that, you might be acting in ways that actually push people away, and you assume that people don't like you. So in this video, I will explain to you why it happens and what you can do to stop it. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I see Cherie. So let's get started. Nobody's thinking about you as much as you think they are. They don't care. Even if that person is looking at you, she can think about something completely different. So it's not about you. We're all self-centered, that we don't care about other people that much. We more care about how silly we were looking back then and what others thought about us, but we don't think about others. It's another thing, to think about what others can think about you and to think about others. If you keep testing people to see if they like you, they will fail on purpose. If they feel that you don't trust them, they will take advantage of that. They will just show you, okay, I'm not interested in you, because that's what you wanted to see. You got it. If you want to see bad in people, you will see only bad. You heard this phrase that the beauty is in the eyes of a watcher. It's almost like you manifest it. If in every single person you see something bad, he definitely doesn't like me, he wants to, hurt me, that person will do that. You got what you want. For example, I had so many situations in my life when I was so nervous before an event. What will happen if I fail, if everyone would criticize me? Of course, not everything was that horrible during that event, but I had certain problems because I made it more difficult by myself, by my inner dialogue, because your success and your happy life depends on your inner dialogue. What thoughts do you have? How do you talk to yourself? How do you talk about other people, about this world overall, in your head? Start from this, because it's the beginning of everything. Not everyone will like you, and that's absolutely fine, because we're all different and we like different things. If I say to you that, wow, language learning, it's so interesting, I fall in love with that, for you, you will look at me and say, why do you even waste your time on that? That's so meaningless. But if you have that opinion, it doesn't mean that I should immediately dislike that and that's a really stupid thing. No, you just have your experience and your attitude towards certain things. And I have mine. And we don't have to be the same. It's like the same as in friendships. Friends or even partners, they don't have to be identical in order to keep this relationship or friendship. They can have their differences. That's absolutely fine. We just need to learn how to live with that. And that's not that difficult. Because if a person has her own opinion and you have yours, okay, no one forces you to change your opinion. You just accept that, okay, it's your choice, it's your opinion. I have another, and we are both okay with that. People are drawn to confidence, not insecurity. Have you ever noticed that those people who are confident, you want to communicate with them? Wow, they are so confident. They can say everything, they can do everything. And yeah, it's actually attractive. But when you're insecure, I don't know whether I should do that because what others will think about me, that's not attractive. You don't want to talk to this person because you think, oh, no matter what I say, this person can be already upset because she's so insecure. Confident people will always get more attention, more opportunities, more success. Meantime, insecure will overthink everything, will think about others, and at the end, they will just forget about themselves. People like those who make them feel good, not those who needs a constant validation. Maybe you heard this phrase that it's better to be interested than interesting. You can have plenty of interesting stories and you can talk for hours, but look at your listeners. Perhaps they are tired because people like to talk. Not everyone is born to be a listener, really. There are much more people who like to talk. They want listeners, but they don't want to listen to others. And now let's get to the tips. Stop looking for signs that people dislike you. People don't actually dislike you and wish you the worst things. Why should they? If you don't do anything bad, people should not dislike you, like at least should not hate you. Of course, there are people who don't like you, but it's not like that thing when everyone thinks about you and everyone hates you. People don't think about you as much as you think they are, so they don't even have time to hate you, to dislike you. Maybe they can talk bad about you, but as for thinking, they have their own stuff to do. Assume people do like you. For example, when you meet a new person, think about that person definitely liked me. Don't think that, oh, maybe I was so awkward. No, they didn't like me. That person will feel your energy. Change your dialogue. When you're going to meet new people or your old friend, think that they really wanted to see you. You will notice that their attitude, their behavior will change, because firstly, you will notice only good things. So you will look for signs that will show you that they like you. You will ignore all those bad signs. And secondly, you will just give them this powerful energy that you like them, so they like you as well. They will feel that, so they will be more attracted to you. Get out of your head. Ask people questions. Be present in the conversation. Don't overthink how do you move your hands or how is your hair looking right now. Don't think about that, because other people don't care. They care about themselves. In order to be less paranoid, just move your focus from yourself to that person. Ask her questions. Let her talk more. Listen to her. Stop sharing your insecurities. It doesn't make people empathize. They're just feeling uncomfortable. So when you say that, oh, I'm so worried, I'm sorry, that's why I'm like this, people will look at you and, okay, what can I say? Why are you sharing with me all this information? I don't need to know that. Successful people, they don't talk about that. Yeah, even though you had a very bad morning, a very bad week, other people don't need to know that, because this information doesn't serve them. Avoid complaining to other people, and you will see that they will be more attracted to you. As I said earlier, people are attracted to good things. They don't want more problems in their life. So next time when you want to say, oh, actually I'm not prepared, I'm so worried, like I'm so terrified, stop doing that, especially to unknown people. Because firstly, it will make other people lose respect to you. Secondly, you'll be even more worried because now everyone knows about your worries. Get alive. The more you have going on in your life, the less you are worried and the less you have this inner voice in your head that, oh, maybe they didn't like me. Why are you looking at me that way? Like, what is wrong with me? When you have your life, you have hobbies, you know what to do, even when you're alone, you're less worried about what others can think about you, because you're just busy. Just become busy with your own life. Learn, try new things, find hobbies finally. Read those books, like do sports, whatever you want. But do something. Of course, those people who don't know what to do and they start their day from scrolling social media, then they have breakfast. What else? Like, what can they even do? When your life is like this, of course, you have plenty of time to overthink. But when you are so busy, you don't have even a second to think about that. If someone doesn't engage with you, move on. Don't waste your time on people who show you that, no, I don't like you. Don't try to prove to them that, oh no, actually I'm such a good person, you should like me. That will never happen, really. They will never like you, because if you're so desperate, they will run away and you will just run after them. So there are plenty of people who are ready to like you. It's one more time the thing of your focus, where your focus is. Focus on those people who like you instead of those who dislike you. One example with social media, when you have plenty of good comments like, wow, that's so amazing, I love this picture, you look so brilliant. There is one comment, negative comment, of a person who says, wow, actually I don't like that, that's so stupid, that's so silly, don't you dare to do that again. You had 100 great comments before. We are used to dwell on bad things instead of noticing something really good. That's the main problem why you can't live peacefully and really be happy, because you're just focused on bad stuff. And if you're focused on that, you will get even more of this stuff. I want to offer you to complete this task right after watching this video. Write down 3 situations where you assumed that people didn't like you. For example, your friend didn't text you, didn't reply to you immediately. So negative assumption is that, oh, maybe he's mad, that's why he's ignoring me, because I did something wrong, even though I didn't do anything wrong. Positive explanation to this, it will be, okay, perhaps he's busy, so he will reply to me as soon as he will get this opportunity. And if you start looking at all situations in your life from positive point of view, for you it will be much easier to live in this world, because you will notice only positive things. Of course, negative things, they will be there as well, but overall you'll be focused on positive stuff, and that's what you will get in your life, positive things. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in my next videos. Bye.